Hello everyone, welcome to TSInfo YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get current year, previous year and next year in a Power Automate flow by using the datetime function. So let's do this practically by opening the Power Automate. For opening the Power Automate homepage in the browser, type make.powerautomate.com. If you have already logged in with the Microsoft credential, then it will directly navigate to the Power Automate homepage. So now my Power Automate homepage has been opened. I will show you these examples by creating the instant cloud flow. So let's create an instant cloud flow and click on create and select instant cloud flow and select the trigger and click on create. Under the trigger, add an initialize variable. Initialize variable is used to store the values during the flow and those values can be used after initializing them. In the initialize variable, give the name for the variable. I was giving as current year and type as string. In the value of initialize variable, let's give the expression that is related to the current year. Based on the current date, now I will extract the current year. So let's give the expression as format date time and give the another function that is UTC now and after that comma. In the format date time for extracting year, we have to give the format as only year. For that within single quotes 4 Ys and click on OK. Now to see the outputs, let's add the compose data operation and click on compose and take the variables of the current year in this. Now the flow is ready and click on save. Save and test the flow. Select manually, test. In the compose action, we can see the current year is extracted from the current date. In the compose flow action, we can see the current year that is 2023. So now let's edit the flow and change the format datetime expression. In the initialize variable, edit the name as previous year and the value is as same as the previous one, that is format datetime with UTC now and 4 Ys. In the compose flow action, I was giving the expression that is related to the previous year. Add the function that is sub and int. In the int take from the dynamic content that is variable of previous year. After that with comma and provide 1. Now click on OK. Once again save and test the flow. When we open the compose action, in the outputs we can see the previous year that is 2022 which is prior to the 2023 that is the current year. Now once again I will edit the flow to show you the example of next year. I was giving the initialize variable name as next year and type as string and format date and value is as same as that. Compose data operation, I was giving the next year's expression that is take add function and int and within brackets take the variables of next year and after that add 1 and click on OK. Save and run the flow manually. When we open the compose data operation, we can see the next year as 2024 as this year is next to the 2023. This is how to get current year, previous year and next year in a Power Automate flow. To have a look on the complete tutorial, click on the link provided in the description box. To get more video tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power BI and Power Automate, like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next video.